1, 2, 3.
Devil.
ठीक है. नहीं.
ऐसा.
बेटे अंदर में. ठीक है. तो 1, 2, 3.
Devil.
बस हो गया. Ikut hakasat Sandi berokal ki engine parts perok ini gede bersiap rong ban iya siap rong berokal. Kini di side panel, custom made side panels, high finishing touch step fitting. So, kembali bro. Apa sedang nak ni ka message nabtaki ni ki RNN Entertainment Group isongo ya ka jinglong load musim jongki nabtaka ni ka event namtani event te ni nang ni kum ke team Pak John dari feedback ni video isongo ipi ke jing nok load musim jongki ba IP kan berkiai ni ke kelab and given us this opportunity. Guys, this is a message for our supporter, our friend Mr. John, whom we have never ever met. No one in the team have ever met him, but he is generous enough to give us this opportunity to let us showcase our bikes and our builds in the event, which is the Summerfest. I've put in the video in the previous video on part 2 and part 3 maybe, but this event has been made possible because of their generosity. We've never met him. I've never even spoke to him in person, but he gave us this opportunity for us that we can that he want to promote us in the bike building thing. So thank you Bajon, if you're watching this, thank you so much, and your team of course, and of course our friends and families who have supported us. We thank you in advance, and we hope we know for sure that this event will be successful, and please do come support us, and you can even pre-book your tickets from us. Contact us, the phone number given I will be put in below, and contact us, and please come and see us, our works, and encourage us with your presence.
Gila apa ni yo lagi jadi tenrai ni. Oh dan berwai. Kan lu lagi sini sih. Sini kita. Ngâm trên bộ nên quảng bộ này. Dah. Dah đây. Tadi boy. Tadi dia. Dah tersewan lah saya sih keren. Dah lawan tenang kan? Dah.
Lunchtime. Oh, ke jalan itu jalan yang tindak tok cuma rumah.
Này băng này hả? Kẹt hay nè.
Shadow. This is our beloved friend, Mr. Shadow, the caretaker of this garage, of this place, Mr. Shadow. Shadow. Oh hi. Udi Lara Tenong. Yes. Yay. You know how to say hi. You're such an intelligent dog. Okay, fine.
I don't ask you for that thing you took, no?
Oh, nice helmet. Mbak Eda, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
A famous Eda and Mbak Kedal.
So, what's that?
Kebalik burnout the kedai yang Steve kan?
Oh, Steve. Yeah.
So this is a new one.
Yeah.
Tamalong we changed the fuel tank, the chassis, side panels. The more of a concept thing kan? The
This to the like to say the look is already there, like
Yeah.
no,
Plus,
looks very compact, man. No gap, no gap.
takda orang ngile ban penrit jadi tangki ke seat and everything am. Nang bak engine can pop out deh. So the engine will pop out and you'll see the machine kan, not not just the bike.
So this bike, what's the problem? Any problem with the engine?
Yeah, problem as of now ka kalayat mo. Te before kadan problem bat ka ni carburetor. Te ngala tap ka ba thamai. So we had this, so you thought chalo let's do this one.
Oh, this is.
actually, even I thought of buying these, yeah.
Kita pakai finishing ng longme tempat nangong kan. So dang ya. So guys, check this cool bike. It belongs to Mr. Kiddle. So cool. These are imported rims. Nice. And Ida. Oh, beam of brake lights. Cool. Cafe concept. Jong Iba Ida. Yeah. Nice. Okay, custom tail lights with indicators. Nice.
And at night it's very bright.
Nice. Okay, Bakir, please, on camera. Tell us a little bit about the bike.
So where do I start?
Start with the wheels, of course. The most attractive wheels.
Okay, so these wheels I got them from Vietnam, imported. They cost me around 26 grand.
26 grand.
Yeah, 26,000. And these tires.
Front and rear.
Yeah, both front and rear. These tires I got them for 9,000. So that almost 10. That will be 36. And then I got this painted. This wrap I got from one guy who sells all these silencers and all. Same thing with this. And what else did I do with the bike? I lowered this cushion.
Suspension, of course.
Suspensions were lowered. and then did some wrapping here. What else did I do to the bike? I think that's all. The rest is all stock. I didn't change nothing. Didn't change the swing arm, because a lot of people think that I changed swing arm, but this is stock. This also stock, and the hub is also stock. These rims don't come with the hub. They come with the hub, but then like these hubs are the stock hubs. You just need to attach them to the rims.
So how did you install all the hubs and everything and the rims?
I send my hub to I send it to Mizoram. One of this guy fixed it for me. He got all these custom made. This is also custom made. So because it's very difficult to get these spokes for this particular rim, and thank God that guy made this for me and made it possible.
So this is the Continental GT. It's of course the stock bike, but not the regular one. Check out the rims. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Walk around.
It's so dominant. You have to market exhaust, of course. The paint work on the engine and the front wheel. And what about these?
These I got them from Amazon for around 1700.
Cool. Nice.
The rest is all painted, all stock and painted.
So give a thumbs up for Mr. Kiddle, and please follow him on his Instagram page. I'll be keeping it below. Nice bike. Nice bike. Okay, done. Oh, damn. Shillong na din mo ron? Ada. And a beautiful shower for these bikes. Yes. Fortunate enough to have a shower to clean the bike, but unfortunate that our work is stopped at the moment. Oh yeah. It's so raining, man, so raining. Nay đều bạ, mình crowd rồi. Đây bạn mình.
Rồi.
Rồi đi, bật click nha, không có dạ nữa rồi.
Bak sıcak lan bak sıcak ciddi diyor. Nice. Shiny like my ass, man. Còn đây. Thì liệu bây giờ mình yes, we want to see the shininess.
Two helmet, swing arm, tangki, Ui vai kalau ke lama France deh besar blue. Progress mentah sengi. Thì ngadap kijing side kijing yarong berfight ki clams kemudian kam kini concept bike but kiway this is so clean.
Pasak balik kamu setang kani mentah.
Kani ke bedang sak ni di ke?
Tangkap flap nanin din. Tangkap ban flap.
Okay. So we're all done. We're all set. Till Shai Kisni, it'll be a big day again. But ki bedang sa ti kendang sa hi. Day 4. Jing jing jing. Day 4. Takut dang ni. Kena bel Shai. Ni lawan.
The new guy.
New guy. Udah nongnya cycle betul yang tahu moyong. Ni kena Shai. Okay, good night from the Snar team. Kena bel Shai day 5. Tinggal sipek ke udang sa Shai. So good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night.